Oh my god.
He's like,
Yeah. Legit fucking. This chick was a little. She was rough, man. She was rough. But
cat fight.
hardcore. Oh, and Last Comic Standing called Adam Hunter a cunt.
Come get some pussy. Just biting into a salmon.
Yeah.
Fucking giant bear head clamped down on your dick and your asshole. And you're going, no! And that's how you die.